We'd like to share our shooting stall product for shooting range industries. The shooting stalls are an important component for any range. They offer safe placement for the shooter, place for the shooter to operate, and for the function and operation of the target retrieval system. So we'd like to show you some of the features on our shooting stalls. Incorporated into the shooting stalls is our target retrieval system. Here we have a recessed tray with both a function for target in and out and our sight light. As you can see, we have a nice wide flat shooting tray, so when the shooter is in here, he can store his weapon, his ammo. He doesn't have a need to turn around and go to a back wall. This tray flips down to access our fold-out shooting barricade, so we can do left hand and right hand barricade shooting. As we mentioned, the shooting stalls are rated to protect the shooter from any errant rounds from a neighboring shooter. These come both rated in pistol or rifle rated rounds. As you can see, the depth of the shooting stall also lends itself to complete shooter protection. The full width of the stall is armor plated or ballistically rated to whatever weapon we're firing inside of here. We've also made the stall wall taller so the brass doesn't eject over the top and hit the neighboring shooter. A target retrieval motor control box is built into the control beam. This is the drive system for the target retrieval system, both for our hard rail and for our trolley wire systems. For demonstration purposes, Jake's standing here with a weapon that's open and no rounds in it. But as you can see, with his weapon extended, he is not past the end of the shooting stall. Therefore, the neighboring shooter will not get the muzzle blast. You can also see if he is to turn to his left or his right, he will not be able to get around into the neighboring lane. So this is one of the factors of the design of our shooting stalls, is making them deep enough to protect the shooter next door. Also, one of the features of the shooting stall is the width of the stall. We've designed the width of these stalls to match the width of our shooting lanes and our bullet traps, of being 3.5 feet on center. This allows plenty of room for a shooter and even for an instructor to stand in here with the shooter, but at the same time we're not wasting additional space for the range and making it too wide where you have to have more building space, more square footage cost, and larger HVAC systems.